I warned you this dump was coming. It's here, it happened, what a crazy day. I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing in the charts. Some long opportunities are coming. Stick around, you're not gonna wanna miss this one. If you're new to the channel, this is Chart Junkies. My name's Alex. We use Elliott Wave theory to come up with high probability trades. If you don't know what Elliott Wave is, there's a link in the description below to my crash course. It's on YouTube here, super short. I'll also pin it right now in the video. It'll also be at the end of the video. Guys, there's a free Discord. Join the Discord. If you were in there, you would have probably hit this trade with us. I mean, I posted, I don't even know how many times about this. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You know, I foresaw this coming. If you watch my previous videos, you know, I'm not going to be right all the time, but we were definitely right this time. All my previous videos, it's all I've been talking about. We're going to get this dump. Yeah, it happened super quick and super violently. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting more of a flag out and then to hit. But ultimately, we got the dump we were looking for here. And I'm going to show you here what I see in the charts. Before I even go into price structure analysis, I just want to bring everyone's attention to the momentum here. I mean, on all time frames, you are so, I mean, the momentum is thick. I don't foresee a V-shaped recovery here in any way, shape, or form. It would blow my mind if that did that. This momentum is so heavy. RSI is so far down. I mean, you need to have something like this. You need to have something like this in the charts. You need some corrections here. Slow corrections after a big dump like this. Ultimately, it has changed things for me. This low has been broken. Very slightly, but it has been broken. Okay? So, what I originally thought was going to be that, and then down, I'm not liking it as much. So, what is this that we're in the middle of right now? Well, this to me is all still some type of correction. I'm seeing a flat here that broke the high, and I want to see just impulsivity down to create one big flat. Ultimately, still going to get the shape of a correction. It's just going to come in a different form. We're going to go right back to this chart in a second. But the reason I say that is because on Ethereum, you see a nice impulsive wave off the top. Beautiful flat here. And now you're going to see another impulsive wave to follow suit to create one big correction here. Ethereum's chart is looking great. Also, the total market cap chart, if I could find it real quick for you, it's showing very similar structure. I don't want total 2. Oof, man, I just ate a monster steak. All right, showing the same kind of structure where you had that, and now you're looking for another impulse down, right? Back to Bitcoin. Now, what I'm expecting over the course of the next, well, through the weekend for sure, into Monday, into Tuesday of next week, I'm expecting correction bullshit, maybe come down, bust the low super quick, then come back up, finish this impulse right there, and then we're in, maybe you get a flat, one more low. This is the area I am extremely interested at this point. Nice opportunity to see something like this play. I am expecting something like this. I want to see something like this. It looks good to me. All the other charts look good as well. I don't even know where this ended. So let's say it does something like that, then yeah. You're looking at, if you're going to the 1-to-1, 35,000. You're looking at 40,000 when all is said and done. And then if you've been watching my videos, you know where I stand. I think we're going downtown to Valhalla after this finishes up. It's in the future. Let's not focus on that. Let's focus on now. This is what I want to see. I think, you know, this is going to be a nice range. I think this is going to be a very nice range to trade up and down. So jump in the Discord, because I will be in there showing you where to short and where I'm shorting and where I'm long. And you guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. I'm just there to show you what I'm doing. I think it's going to be a pretty nice range setting up. We'll see what happens. But that's what I'm expecting. Your long, in my opinion, is going to come around the 23.8 area, 24K, 23.8, 23.6, somewhere in this range where you're breaking this low, breaking this structure, come right into this liquidity right here. Let's just pull one of these bad boys and see what we get. Oh my goodness, we don't want it to go down there. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and get my thoughts on this wave. If you missed it, guys, do not worry. Do not worry. Don't FOMO into something because you missed it. You're trying to make up for it. I'm going to FOMO into a long and get a little piece of this. FOMO into a short, get a little piece of this. That's the worst thing you could possibly do. Wait for the trades to show themselves. I closed out all my trades. I didn't even catch this total bottom. I closed out the last of mine like up here, 25.8, and I was, like I said, I was expecting us to bounce in this area. So I closed a lot of my position here. I should have waited until the wave structure completed, but I had limit orders placed. And I didn't realize this was just going to absolutely bomb like it did. I looked at my phone and I said, what? So yeah, I'll see you guys in the Discord. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, goddammit. I'm trying to blow this channel up. Come on, share this video. Tell your friends. Tell your mom. Thanks for watching. I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.